Hello, my amazing English learners. Welcome back to another episode of English Listening Practice. Whether you're walking, studying, cooking, or just chilling, thank you for spending this time with me. I'm so proud of you for showing up today and working on your English. That's how progress happens, step by step, little by little. Today's episode is all about one of the biggest struggles for learners, understanding English without subtitles. I know it can feel impossible sometimes, especially when people talk fast or use slang. But don't worry. You're going to learn how to train your brain to understand real English, even fast speech, without needing to read subtitles. In this episode, we'll slow things down, break things into small parts, practice shadowing, and talk about powerful mindset tips to help you trust your ears more and your eyes less. So let's dive in. Your English journey continues right now. Section 1, Why Subtitles Can Be a Crutch and How to Let Go, Friendly Version. Okay, let's be honest. Subtitles feel like your best friend when you're learning English, right? They're always there, helping you understand every word, or so it seems. But here's the thing, they're kind of tricking your brain. When you always rely on subtitles, you're not really listening, you're reading. And that means your ears aren't learning how real English sounds. It's like watching a movie with training wheels on. Sure, you're moving forward, but you're not really balancing on your own. So, in this episode, we're going to slowly take off those training wheels. Don't worry, we're not throwing you into fast English with no help. We'll go step by step. First, we'll listen to a short clip without subtitles. Just relax and let your ears do the work. Then, we'll play it again slowly, and this time, you'll probably catch more. Finally, you can check the subtitles to see what you missed. This method helps your ears grow stronger, like a workout for your brain. You'll be surprised how quickly you improve when you give your ears a chance to lead. Ready? Let's try it together. Section 2. Listen first, then check. Build stronger listening muscles. All right, here's your simple mission. Listen first, check later. Why? Because if you look at subtitles before you listen, your brain skips the hard work. It just goes, oh, I don't have to figure this out. I already know what's being said. But that's exactly what stops you from improving. So here's what we'll do. Step 1. Just listen. I'll play a short, real English sentence, no subtitles, no hints. Just close your eyes and really focus. What can you catch? A few words? The emotion? That's okay. Step 2. Listen again slowly. I'll repeat the same sentence, but this time slower, with a little space between the words. You'll probably understand a lot more this time. Step 3. Check the words. Now, I'll show you the sentence with subtitles. You'll see exactly what you missed and learn from it. This simple 3-step method helps your brain connect sounds to meaning without needing to translate or read. Think of it like training your ears to hear between the lines. Don't worry if you don't get it all the first time. That's the point. Every time you try, your brain gets sharper. Ready to test it out? Let's play the first audio. Practice time. Let's train your ears. Step 1. Just listen. Normal speed. Here's your sentence. No subtitles yet. Just listen and see what you can catch. Hey, are you free this weekend? We're going hiking if you want to join. Step 2. Slow down listening. Let's slow it down now. Listen carefully to each word. Hey, are you free this weekend? We're going hiking if you wanna join. Step 3. Check the subtitles. Now let's check the full sentence together. Hey, are you free this weekend? We're going hiking if you want to join. See how much more you understood the second time? That's the power of listening first, then checking. You're training your ears to recognize natural speech without jumping straight to the written words. You can even try repeating the sentence out loud now to improve your speaking too. Example 2. Step 1. Just listen. Normal speed. Listen carefully without subtitles. I'm thinking about ordering pizza tonight. What do you feel like? Step 2. Slow down listening. Now listen slowly to catch every word. I'm thinking about ordering pizza tonight. What do you feel like? Step 3. Check the subtitles. Here's the full sentence. I'm thinking about ordering pizza tonight. What do you feel like? You're doing great. Listening like this every day will build your skills fast. Ready to move on to the next section, shadowing practice? Section 3. Repeat and speak. Shadowing practice. Now it's your turn to speak. Shadowing means you repeat the sentences right after you hear them, copying the speed, rhythm, and intonation of the native speaker. This is a super powerful way to sound more natural and boost your speaking confidence. Here's how we'll do it. 1. Listen carefully to the sentence I say. 2. Repeat it immediately. Try to match my tone and speed as closely as possible. 3. Don't worry if it's hard at first. The more you practice, the easier it gets. 4. Focus on sounding natural, not perfect. Mistakes are part of learning. Let's try one now. Native speaker says, I'm thinking about ordering pizza tonight. What do you feel like? You repeat. You repeat after me, matching the rhythm and intonation. Great job! Keep practicing like this every day, and your speaking will improve fast. Ready for more? Let's keep going. Section 4. Learn phrases that native speakers use. All right. Now that you're practicing speaking, it's time to learn some real, everyday phrases native speakers use all the time. Textbook English is great for basics, but in real conversations, people use shortcuts, slang, and expressions that you won't always find in a dictionary. Learning these phrases helps you understand faster and speak more naturally. In this section, I'll introduce you to some common phrases and expressions. We'll talk about how native speakers shorten words or link sounds, useful idioms and casual expressions you can use right away, how to use these phrases in your own conversations. By adding these to your vocabulary, you'll sound more like a native speaker and feel more confident joining real conversations. Let's start with a few popular phrases you hear every day and practice them together. Section 5. Practice listening in different situations. Now that you're learning real phrases and practicing speaking, it's super important to listen to English in lots of different places and situations. Why? Because English sounds a bit different depending on where you are and who you're talking to. Sometimes it's fast, sometimes slow, sometimes formal, sometimes casual. In this section, I'll guide you on how to practice listening so you can understand English no matter where you are. Listen to podcasts, music, movies, and even YouTube videos. Try to listen to different accents: American, British, Australian, and more. Practice listening while doing other things like walking, cooking, or exercising. Use subtitles or transcripts at first, but try to listen without them over time. The more you expose your ears to different kinds of English, the easier it gets to catch the meaning, even if you don't understand every single word. Remember, the goal is to get used to the sounds, rhythms, and patterns of natural English. This will help your brain recognize words faster and improve your overall understanding. Ready to explore different listening situations? Let's dive in. Section 6. Don't worry about mistakes, just speak. One of the biggest fears when learning English is making mistakes. You might worry about saying something wrong, mispronouncing a word, or not sounding perfect. But guess what? Making mistakes is not only okay, it's a good thing. Every mistake you make is a step closer to getting better. Native speakers don't expect you to be perfect. They just want to understand you and have a real conversation. In this section, I want you to feel free to speak up, even if you're not 100% confident. Here's why. Speaking regularly helps you practice and improve faster. Mistakes help you learn what to fix next time. The more you speak, the more confident you become. It's normal to feel nervous. Everyone does. So, don't hold back. Try to speak as much as you can with friends, language partners, or even by yourself. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Remember, progress is more important than perfection. Keep going, and you'll surprise yourself with how much you improve. Wow, you made it to the end of today's episode. I'm really proud of you for sticking with it and taking steps to improve your English listening and speaking. Remember, learning a language is a journey, and every bit of practice counts. Keep training your ear, shadowing those sentences, and speaking without fear. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new lesson. And please share this with your friends who are also learning English. We're all in this together. Before we go, here's a quick challenge for you. Try to listen to a short English conversation today, maybe a podcast, YouTube clip, or a chat with a friend. And notice how much you understand now compared to before. Keep practicing, stay confident,